In this video, I'll show you how to change your privacy settings on a YouTube video. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click on our profile picture. You're going to find this right here at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will select View Your Channel. Right here on the left, you're going to click on your videos. And here you will see every single video that you have posted on YouTube. It doesn't matter if it's public or private. And to change the privacy settings of a video, simply select right here under visibility. You're going to click this little arrow. And now here you will have 3 different options. You can make your video private, unlisted, or public, meaning that anyone can watch it. After you make your decision, you're simply going to click on save. And as you can see now, this video is private. Just a quick reminder, remember that private means that only you can watch the video. Unlisted means that only the people that have the link to the video are able to watch it. And then of course, public means that anyone can watch your YouTube video. And that's it. Hope that helps.